In this video we're reviewing Dripshipper, a Shopify app that lets you launch a private label coffee brand with minimal upfront investment. Here's what you need to know before selling. Dripshipper specializes in coffee and tea dropshipping, handling roasting, packaging, and shipping directly to your customers within 3 to 5 business days. The platform integrates seamlessly with Shopify, allowing you to upload your logo, design labels, and manage orders all in one place. You can also access bulk discounts of up to 25%, which is useful for subscriptions or promotions. Users report that the product quality is high and customer service is responsive, making it easier to run a coffee store without managing inventory. However, profit margins typically range from 10 to 30%, and Dripshipper focuses only on coffee and tea, so expanding into other products would require additional suppliers. Overall, Dripshipper is ideal for coffee enthusiasts, entrepreneurs seeking low overhead, and Shopify users looking for a turnkey dropshipping solution. Subscribe for more honest dropshipping app reviews and tips to grow your online business.